guys, welcome to my birthday. Hey Chilling Giants, I hope you're well. It is my birthday. It's the 24th of January. It's 8:30 in the morning and we're on our way. He's inside the filling station. We're filling up and he's going to get some ice. So yeah, according to my dad, I was born around 11:30. It's 8:30, so I haven't been born yet. My mom is probably going through the most, but I haven't been born yet, guys. This petrol attendant is literally staring at me. But yeah, I'll take birthday wishes right now. Azisha in the comment section right now. Azisha, happy birthday, Siza, happy birthday. But yeah, it is my birthday. Having I slept like early hours of the morning because he always wants to like make a spectacle and just he never wants me to sleep. But yeah, so I am a bit tired, but my first birthday with braces. Wild. Special people in my life have already wished me happy birthday, and yeah, let's go. If you're new to this channel, please don't leave without subscribing. If you're really on this channel, welcome back, babies. Also guys, I feel like people who are born this month, look at this guy, people who are born this month are like top tier, like elite people, like really great people. January, Aquarians, yeah. Hey. But yeah, so I just feel like, oh,
hey GG's, it's my wife's birthday. Hey JJ's, it's my wife's birthday.
Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right. But oh, that's not say hello, put abuti or rasetsa abuti wa rasetsa abuti wa rasetsa kupa u wetse ka pele. Yeah, feta. Ooh. I'm trying to find the right words to say. Raleboga. Anywho, so as I was saying, I feel like because my birthday is like close to the end of the month, I'm able to see all the other birthdays like on social media, but I just feel like people who are born in January / Aquarians, because you have some people who are Aquarians who are born like beginning of Feb, they are really elite people. Like, I've never noticed how many people are born during this time. How many great people are born during this time? Like exceptional people, top tier. Like, yeah, makes sense. We have to lead the world. Anywho, let's go. Favorite animal would be a giraffe.
So your favorite animal is a giraffe?
No, my favorite animal is an elephant.
Not a giraffe?
No. If my surname was not Dovo, my favorite animal would be Indulamate. Guys, giraffes are so majestic. Like, wow, such beautiful creatures. Damn. But yeah, I just saw them now. Some zebras on this side. But we all know these horses.
And
Buffalo.
buffaloes. And Gigi, so we just arrived. We've been here for a couple of minutes now. We just watched the video. We're going for an elephant experience. And yeah, so we just started off with the video, watched the video. And yeah, now so we're going to the actual elephants themselves. And yeah, we're going to be taking you guys along. Looking forward to it. And yeah, swinging in my gangster.
The whole reserve because of the space.
Okay.
One elephant, it requires 2,500 hectares.
Alright.
The time they got these 2 elephants in 2006, the reserve was only 5,000 hectares.
Okay.
Now it's more than 7,500. Maybe in future we can have the third one. But here we only have boys.
Okay.
So yes, they have names, but firstly let me introduce my colleague, the guys which we're working with this elephant every day. And ask them to salute. Boy,
Oh.
Boy, ask them to head shake.
No ways.
One step forward again.
Open.
Up again. Up.
No.
Hey Gigi, so we just finished our elephant interaction. It was absolutely beautiful. Thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. It was an experience and a half. Like, it's always special, always special. So headed back now, and yeah, your favor's gone. I wanted to ask her how she feels. Yeah, swinging in.
Hey guys, we are chilled now. You can tell, like, the itis is currently at like the breakfast area because we decided to have brunch. We were having brunch actually because we started our interaction a bit late. We're having brunch now, but we're done with brunch. We just took our plates. Sorry, babe. But it was good. I'm nice and full. I could take a nap right now. I really could take a nap. So we'll see. But I'm good, happy, and yeah.
Some mimosas, we didn't show you.
Oh yeah, we had some mimosas when we were chilling with the elephants.
Yeah, they were so good.
They were so good.
They were really nice.
Like mimosa was good, too good. But yeah,
These mimosas are kicking my head.
we'll see you in our room because I'm gonna get there and sleep.
Hey guys, so after a beautiful start to the day, we finally checked in. So we started off with an elephant experience, then had breakfast, late breakfast, brunch, and then checked in. So luckily we were able to get an early check-in. I requested an early check-in and we were able to get an early check-in, which is good. So we've checked in and we're going to be giving you guys a quick room tour. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of the room, what you think of the place. And yeah, without any further ado, let us get right into the room tour. So we are staying at number 12. And before you even come in, there's a nice chilling area here. Absolutely stunning. It's a very wide patio, and you have a beautiful, stunning view. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. Garden, greenery, everything. It's stunning. There's some animals there. Obviously can't see them here, but there's animals like it is really, really stunning. Absolutely stunning. So let's go in. Oh yeah, phone was Mzwandile.
Slowly, you always happening to Giant. I'm so tired, guys. Literally was having the nap of my life. Come in. Hey guys,
Thank you.
Welcome to our place in Magalies. And this is our room. So as you enter, you are welcomed by like a sitting area, not a dining area.
Yeah.
Sitting area, you have some chairs, some nice chairs. You have like a table if you want to read, some couches, my handbags, and then you have a fireplace. You have here an area to make yourself some tea, coffee. You have some rusks, and then you have a fridge with some water and some ice.
Yep.
Then on this side, you have some old brown sherry.
Oh, hey. Some good stuff.
I didn't see this. Sir,
Ah, babe. Do the right thing.
I'm doing the honors.
Do the right thing.
That mimosa's already kicking my...
Your butt.
Yeah. So...
Oh, thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
What are we toasting to?
My birthday.
Oh, to Wifey's birthday. Oh.
Cheers.
Also, you have a TV here as well.
Oh yeah, I missed that. Yeah, so decoder, so DSTV. Then
Yep.
you come over to the side. You have like an area where you're able to hang your coats and your jackets. The D&D, please make up room. Sign is here for your use as well. You have a closet. We have here some of our luggage and yeah.
Ngubo there down
Oh,
at the
blankets.
bottom. Yeah.
Then you have here a nice long mirror and you're able to check yourself out and you know, make sure that you're cute or whatever. Then you have here, what's this? Dog nigga.
Yeah, I think in dog nigga, but I don't understand
The material.
the material. What the material? I think dog iron. Maybe dog iron. You just request the iron.
Can't. It can't be. But yeah. And then you come over to this side and you have the bed.
Yep.
So you have a nice big bed, very big.
Yep.
Né? Then you have a fan on this side. Clearly it gets quite warm on this side of South Africa.
Yep, you also have an AC as well. So you're pretty sorted. You have a phone here, you can call reception, call the spa, rangers, whatever you need, didn't you? You can just call it. And yeah.
Yeah. Then when you come over to this side, you have the bathroom.
Oh, before we get that side, there's also another station here where you can sort of like do your makeup, get ready, and all of that. Maybe it's a night dress. So I have a night dress here.
Night bunny?
Night dress. Oh no, not night dress.
Nightstand. Not a nightstand.
Not a nightstand. Flip, I forgot.
Did you night dress?
Yes, I don't know why I said that.
It's just a dresser.
No, there's a word for it. I'll tell you when I remember. But yeah, we have that. We have our cooler box there.
Then you have here the
Then
bathroom.
you have the bathroom this side.
Yeah. So literally just a nice, antique, cute bathroom. You have a toilet this side. Then you have shower this side. Then you have a nice, cute bathtub this side. I might take a bath tomorrow morning. And then you have some towels over here, a sink, and a mirror. So you also have this over here, and it's giving me like
Skiki vibes.
not skiki, but all time like Uphila Kudala. Yeah, but Uphila Kudala the white way.
Yeah.
Not Uphila
Popula
Kudala.
nabelungu nakdala.
No, but you see movies, right?
Okay.
Like old time movies.
I wonder
So-
what that is. Gigi's in the comment section down below. Do you know the setup? It does look like you sort of like your kamanzi, you pour it in here. Maybe now we'll get the indishi. So it's probably that setup as well.
Yeah, then you have here some body lotion, shampoo, and foam and
Conditioner.
bath.
Oh.
And yeah, some shower caps, banyo ticket, soap, mosquito repellent,
Zakari.
yeah, that is it.
Pretty much it. Also have some slippers over there. I actually thought with your white Crocs, I thought you were wearing the slippers, but
Well,
there's
actually,
some
let me
slippers.
wear them.
I guess.
Oh,
What?
light is falling. So yeah, that is it from us on my birthday. Why are you smiling like that?
Because I'm in love. So, Gigi's, that is our room. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think.
Mzwandile,
yo,
like, can I
I
need like a mattress to place down here and just listen to the sprinklers, watch the wildebeest, watch the dam, and just sleep, wake up, have dinner. Babe,
and do nothing.
please organize a mattress for me.
I got you, babe.
Thank you.
I got you. But yeah, guys, this is the place we're staying at, African Hills Spa and Lodge. It's absolutely stunning. It's in Magalies. And
Thank you,
yeah,
babe.
it's a pleasure, babe. The place does have a pool. There's a swimming pool. There are game drives if you want to do a game drive. There's a spa, there's a bar, there's a restaurant. So nje, everything is sorted. Also, when I booked this, they seem to only have one option, which is half board. Funny enough, I think there might be breakfast only as well. Then you get whatever you want to get if you wish.
Maybe they're
But
doing it because like it's so like secluded.
remote, yeah, it's actually remote. We actually drove quite a distance. Once
From
we
the
arrived, yeah,
gate.
from the gate, it's actually quite far. So you can't even decide to like drive out and go eat elsewhere and
so
all
it
of that.
makes sense.
So it makes sense. So it's a half board. So there's breakfast and dinner, but they do have lunch, which is served between 12 and 4. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. It's absolutely stunning. The views that we've been enjoying from our elephant experience this morning to nature to everything, man. Yo, it's been stunning. You happy?
I'm very happy. Thank you, babe.
I'm happy. You are
You
happy.
know I love places like this to relax. Also, ngifuna uphaphi, ningaphaphi ngepete yami, guys. Ngifuna
Emulate me and relax.
angifuni nje upha, like nje just take it easy. But yeah, this is beautiful. Let's take it easy before. In the comment section down below, let me know if you know what is So let's take it easy before. What do you think? Is but yeah, you guys, thank you for the birthday wishes. If you did wish me, if you haven't, dodge. But yeah,
if you haven't, do so in the comment section down below.
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
look at them running.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah, GG's.
Bye.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. We're gonna take it easy, nap, relax. We'll probably see you guys at dinner. We're gonna go have dinner later on. And yeah, for now, yo, babe, my wife's butt feels so good right now. Babe, see and Tanayam. See and Jayam. See and Jayam.
Stop, Mzwandile.
Can you hear that?
Mzwandile, how? Bye, guys.
We'll see you later.
Hey, GG's. Time for dinner. We headed to dinner now. I'm dressed so cute. I'm wearing like this satin maxi. Without a bra. Because that's what I wanted to do. But you can't really wear a bra because of the backlessness. But it feels so good. I'm also really grateful for like cute boobs. But yeah, ready for dinner, babe.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I am.
What is it?
Do you like
I'm
my
still
dress?
okay. Yeah, you look stunning. You look cute.
I bought this yesterday. Oh, I bought it yesterday and I bumped into a Gentle Giant at the mall. But I didn't bump into her at the store that I bought this. I bumped into her at another store. I was spending my husband's money, so I can't say which store. But yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You don't want to go eat. You want to have drinks first.
Marambulambili, we can have both.
Drinks and food.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Scare it. Guys, it is so stunning here. Well, that's where the pool is. But the nature here, like, it is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that family shandies going on over there. But it is absolutely beautiful. We have the wrong lens, so you can't get a full picture, but this is what we are looking at. This is what we are enjoying. It is so peaceful. It's quiet, Nji. Absolutely stunning. I love it for me. I love it for my wife.
I don't. I really don't.
But it is absolutely beautiful, guys. So we're going to the car now first before dinner. We actually started with the walk, then went back. As we were going to dinner, so I thought, okay, we want something in the car. So we went to the room first in the car. So that's where we headed now, to the car. But one of the things I wanted to mention is the fact that it is so quiet, it's empty. And it's because during the week, like during the week, a lot of accommodations, guys, during the week are stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, babe, thank you for having a birthday on a Tuesday. So, babe, thank you for having a birthday midweek. Because it's absolutely quiet. There is a conference, but I wonder what next scene. We haven't seen them. I think they disappeared or whatever, but it is absolutely empty. It's quiet. There's only one old couple that we've seen so far. And that's it. So that's one of the things I'm enjoying and loving. There's just so much peace. My wife is zen. My wife is centered. My wife is calm. My wife is relaxed. My wife is
Yeti.
But yeah. Okay, Gigi, so we're finally at dinner, and this is our start. That's all the start of the appetizer. It's the amuse bouche, which is a crouton with salsa and chicken, liver pate. Is it called pate or?
Chicken liver pate, yeah.
Yeah. So it's cute or whatever. Then we also have some bread there as well. And yeah.
It's too good. Babe,
Yeah.
I need to try this. Mzwandile.
I'm going in just now.
If you don't eat it, I will. It crouton, yeah, but does not taste like a crouton.
I think I'm gonna keep it simple and just go for a strawberry cake. Why are you laughing?
Okay. Definitely. I hope the margarita is good.
That's so good.
It's so good.
You want?
I do. That was funny. Well. I asked him to make me a virgin margarita. A frozen virgin margarita, so I hope it's good.
So to speak.
This appetizer, what? No, I don't want bread. After having that thing, it was too good. Thank you. Thank you so much. It looks too good. Clink, clink. One thing I can't get it. It's why.
Yeah, it's one.
Yeah, it's why. Wow.
Looks so good.
Too good.
It looks absolutely amazing.
Okay, Gigi, so my starter has arrived. I'm having the chicken Buddha bowl. So it's rice noodles over here, julienne vegetable, chicken strips, mushrooms, artichoke, and then some soya. So yeah, my brother over there is having mussels. So they are with some homemade bread.
Yeah, I'm having mussels with some homemade bread.
They
Mussel
look good.
soup. Yeah.
I get our mains are here, and I'm having the sole. This is some sole with some basmati rice, vegetables, and lemon butter sauce. And your fave, that is so much steak, baby, but he's having filet with some polenta and some jus.
Yep.
Ooh.
And some veggies.
I'm definitely coming there for that steak.
What's up, baby? What's up?
He's a big.
Maringa steak never see one. Yeah, what's up, some?
He's a big.
What's up, my love? What's up, my love?
Coming.
Love you.
Love you. It's time for dessert. I'm having the vanilla Swiss roulade with some ice cream, and your fave over there is having some bread and butter pudding.
Yes.
With ice cream instead of custard.
Yeah.
Taste.
Let's taste the ice cream first.
Baby, ice cream. Taste the pudding.
Let's taste the pudding.
Does it taste like bread?
A little.
I wanna.
Not really, but not a pudding guy. So I don't know how it's probably supposed to taste.
Okay, let me taste. Now I'm full, Clay.
I guess. Gigi, so we're done. We're off to the room. Did you enjoy your dinner, babe?
I did. It was too good. I'm ready to slumber my man's chest.
Sientona. Some is Holanda slump. The museum is still open. We didn't show you the museum, or maybe I did show you. Oh no, I didn't show you. So, oh, in the room tour. Yeah, but there's a museum here. It seems to be open all night. Yeah, seems to be open all night. But yeah, so we're off to the room now. Almost there. There's really nice lighting here. Like, it's so poorly, but can you hear it's a bit chilly, babe?
Yeah, it is.
Like, for
It's
the
this
hot.
damn, babe.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
this damn thing.
oh, it's quite chilly.
I'm
Like,
ready to get into your arms, sir.
guys, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Asambe ntwana yami. Hey, GG's. Hi, sonibona kusasa.
Damn. Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
How beautiful it is.
Gorgeous.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, let's take a picture first. Stay.
Done.
Use like
Do what you wish.
Do what I want. I
Do what I want. Love it for you.
Love it for me as well.
Yeah, oh, babe.
Yeah, you're running.
Oh,
Ready?
Zintan. Anto. Ay, wenzani?
Oh, what do you mean? What do you mean?
You mustn't step on with the, like, why the knee? Just go, Zlatel.
Ready?
Yes, let's go.
I need the knee.
You don't need the knee. Trust me, you
Ready?
do not need the knee.
Let's go.
Scare it. Exactly.
I can't.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. GG's. Sunborn. Love ya. We also have this as
How
well.
cute.
How cute it is.
Oh my gosh. Aww. Happy birthday.
Yeah, the,
Aww. I can't believe I'm someone's wife. Like, when did I become this person? Welcome, wishing you a super special birthday. Enjoy your stay. Thank you.
oh, yeah.
Thank you. It's time to get drunk. Drunk.
You?
Ah,
That's really cute.
the cutest.
Love it.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, and they know your second favorite animal.
Right? Morning, GG's. Welcome back to our channel. It is the morning. Feeling quite rested. Feeling rejuvenated. Oh, I slept so good. I slept wonderfully. The bed. Yo. I was just like really annoyed every time I had to wake up and pee, because one thing about me is a calm. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning. I have a stunning view. I have the camera bag with me because we're off to breakfast. Mzwandile quickly went to the car, but yeah, we're off to breakfast. I look so cute. Like, guys, I'm in my chilled girl era. Did I take my Crocs? Oh yeah, I did. Okay, yeah, so let's go to breakfast. Let me just show you my view quickly. Oh, this is my view. My stunning view. Oh demo. But yeah, let's head on off to breakfast and go eat.
yeah, so we've come to the end of our vlog and our trip. And yeah, we actually have a meeting in an hour.
Imagine, guys.
So we're gonna stop somewhere because we're about an hour and a half from home. But after an hour, we'll stop somewhere and have our meeting. And yeah, but it was a stunning getaway. Did you enjoy yourself, babe?
Pelele birthday. Oy pelele birthday.
Ayikapheli. Uzozwa ngami siphelile. Oh, ndidinga ukutshela ukuthi phelile.
Really?
Phelile ayikapheli.
Tshelo baby.
Ufuna ngitshele?
Tshelo ukuthi uphela nini?
Uzozwa ngami. Noma ngithi phelile, gani izobe iphelile. Mara for now ayikapheli.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Ayikapheli.
But yeah, thank you, my love. It was a beautiful day. Yeah, it was stunning. It was everything I needed and more. Like, I feel rested. Like,
close the window. We're in the middle of the park.
It's actually an open like field. It's like a felt. But I feel rested. I feel good. I feel rejuvenated. I'm ready to take it on. Take on and enjoy the rest of my birthday, like you said. But yeah, I feel good. I'm really blessed to have you as my husband. Like, things over here, hello, babe.
Nice one.
Yo.
Mina, ngiyakubona wena, mina.
No, wena,
mina.
Oh, but thank you, my love. It was beautiful. You never cease to amaze me. Thank you for my gifts.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you for my gifts. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. It was amazing. Give me a kiss. Thank you.
It was absolutely stunning. The staff there as well is
really good.
like
It's really nice.
It's safe. Like leaving our things, our equipment, camera equipment, like it's so peaceful. It's beautiful. It's so. It was stunning. Shout out to Tamara and Zebe as well. They know themselves.
All of the elephants we met yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely stunning.
They joined us for breakfast again
today it was so beautiful. They came to the pool area and they were just having fun. So it was beautiful.
It was really beautiful.
And yeah, GGs, thank you so much for watching. I think we'll be back in a couple of weeks. This is the last vlog for some time, because the thing is we did say we're gonna take a break, but obviously we continue to give you content, and this week, which is last week when you're watching this, we gave you 2 videos as well. So yeah, so kind of break, like we haven't saying gonna take a break and all of that, but yeah.
For how long?
So
for how long?
Couple of weeks.
Couple.
Yeah, couple of weeks. But we'll let you know. Couple doesn't mean 2.
Couple.
I know couple is derived from like 2 things,
couple means 2.
No, baby, it means more than 2.
No.
It comes from 2 and more.
No, baby.
So because the base is 2,
then you say a few weeks.
No, baby.
But if it's 2, it's couple, baby. It's couple.
No.
Couple
then why don't people
2.
say 2 weeks? Yeah.
No, because
why don't you? No, I'll see you in 2 weeks. Why do they say?
A couple of. It's like synonyms. You don't use the same word for everything.
No,
like
but
also
people are
to elevate your English, you need to find synonyms for different words or words that are used a lot. Just find synonyms to elevate your English.
No, babe.
Guys,
couple is a couple.
No.
Okay, we'll see you guys. No, not a couple as in not that. But GGs, we'll see you in a few weeks. Yeah, but we'll keep you posted. That's why it's also important to follow us on Instagram, see what we're getting up to, seeing some of the things that we're sharing and communicating as well. So yeah, GG, Santanda.
So, end of Jan, we're taking a break. We'll see you sometime in Feb.
I said a few weeks. I think that's a couple of years. Might see them in March, we don't know. But GG, Santanda. The bottom line is that Santanda. More than anything, Santana.
In March. Baby, you need
More
to tell them when they're gonna see us so that they are.
But I said good, we're gonna communicate. So
I get that. So
things
they
might
have
change.
A date.
Marama GGs, another thing, GGs. Gigi's in Maranin. I feel like sometimes on the little send some announcement. People are only
People are
like let me not say, but yeah.
People are always out.
Announcement.
The reason I'm saying this is because if I was like a loyal Gigi and you guys say, okay, take a break because we're on this day, then I jot it down or I note it down somewhere. It goes, hey, they come back on this day, so I need to look out for a video on this day. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, but that's why it's also important to have your post notification bells on, because sometimes so a couple of weeks we excess you video,
but
so you don't know.
I have my notifications on, but
I never get them.
Exactly.
Yeah. True.
So like I saw baby.
Okay. Yeah, no, we got you.
So
few weeks, sometime in Feb. Few weeks, babe, sometime in Feb. When we are in Guchanelago, it's a kumulile, done. Yo. It's a kumulile. But yeah, Gigi, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in another video. And yeah, Santanda, man. Santanda.
Thank you for the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. Bye.
Ciao, video.